Oh my god. Look at this place. Ine. Make some brunch. We're just gonna eat a little and then we'll head to Ikea.
Ikea.
The filter thing of the boiler broke and it doesn't block the steam enough anymore. So now we use cover or else it won't stop boiling. Let's make some coffee. It's not as cold today. We'll try and not wear the snow jacket. Heading up.
Yay! Right, we are now in the car. Bullen on the wheel, of course.
What the fuck is this guy trying to do?
Okay, so we are now on the road, on the way.
Jesus Christ.
We are heading to Ikea with Bullen at the wheel, of course. I'm just the cameraman.
Wow.
Hey, jaywalking, man, jaywalking.
My goodness.
Goodness gracious, what's wrong with these people? Improper left turn, jaywalking people, man. No wonder there's road rage on the roads here in Canada. I don't blame them. And weather today isn't the most optimal because it is slightly cloudy, but good for us in terms of temperature wise because it's not too cold today, which is kind of nice being able to just wear light jackets. I'm wearing my Naruto hoodie from Nijigen no Mori, and then Bullen is just wearing her windproof jacket, so easier to move around too. Nice. Yeah, I think we should get a new new SD card for our dash cams because we needed to format it again.
No, it's the memory is full because now it's taking videos of both front and back.
So now we also have like the back camera. I see you. Okay, we are almost there. I recognize those two buildings up there.
That was quick.
Yeah, it was pretty quick.
Compared to us taking the bus, my goodness.
Yeah. Hey, here we go. Ikea. Hayay desu ne. Okay, let's go find a good parking spot, mi amor.
Oh, this is all handicap now.
Oh, soka.
Before, remember we used to park here.
Yeah, we used to park. I was like thinking, did your brother used to park in the handicap area? But like not anymore, you know.
He was gonna come now.
So. Alright, let's find a good parking spot. Ah, there, love.
Yeah, I saw, but then like he's coming. Ikea. It's all say. They have Santa, but they only come during weekends.
Weird.
Today is a Thursday.
Yes, it's a Thursday. But it's nice because it's not too crowded.
Yeah. So Christmassy.
Oh, love. Oh, they have like a bowl.
Yeah.
Like a wider bowl.
That would be nice. For curry and stuff.
Oops.
My goodness.
Come in.
Hey. Yeah. Set you on the chest so I don't have to hold on to you. Hey, Christmas tree.
I was thinking it's a...
Oh, it's a dishwasher. Yeah. I like the stars. They put all the cooking utensils on the tree.
Why?
A fuzzy puppy. Milk chocolate. Oh, ginger thins. High in saturated fat and sugar. You think our sofa is not soft enough? Hi. Okay. We're in someone's kitchen. Look at that turkey.
The kitchen sucks.
It looks dry. Hard. Very hard. I like the table decoration. Although I don't appreciate the pine cone and the plate, but it looks good. Oh, this tree is kind of different. More flowery. I still want to paint our kitchen into a darker color at the bottom.
I like this idea.
They're putting those elves around. They are fixing some of the spaces.
I like this.
For what?
If you can clip it well, you can use it for tufting. We just clip it on our table.
What does it look like? We move the storage area to here. This is the bed that we
Never slept on.
never slept on in the Airbnb when we first moved to Japan.
In Keikyo Kamata.
Yeah.
So nostalgic seeing it.
The bedding area. Not something that we're looking at today. I just feel like they sell clothing items now too. Oh no! Oh no! This is kind of cute.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Space bunny.
But he's dead because of his ears.
Yeah.
How's it head?
There's
It have a meow meow.
space meow meow. Why does the hedgehog look so old? Are you okay? Grandma hedgehog. Fat boy. Oh, it's Hachi-san. We have one at home.
Please. Get your shit together.
Why does it look like Snoop Dogg for a moment?
Snoop Dogg.
They remodeled the menu.
But that is a Swedish primo.
I wanted the nachos, but I want meatball nachos, not plant balls. What is that? Fish and chip. Oh, gingerbread house.
Oh yes.
Gingerbread house. Oh my god, how many have we used for our winter course before? No more cards.
You want a time?
One chocolate cake.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the spring roll last time?
Yes, but I'm not that hungry.
I'm gonna take 2 anyway.
Okay. Wanna play?
Sure.
What is this? So fancy. There's a ticketed event on the 17th and 18th.
That's today.
The whole area is covered. So, lunch? Not sure what this is.
Afternoon tea.
That's a lot for afternoon tea.
It's not even tea.
I'm ready for dessert.
Oh. Hot. Care to pick it up?
Yes. Oh, they're having the special dinner event. Not sure how it works, so. Oh, all the Christmas stuff. I like that hat. Nice. Oh, they don't have the snowman anymore. I mean, yeah, the Santa, not the snowman. The Santa. It was here before. Haha. We're trying to look for something that will create shelving for us. Why do they not have the one that we want? We want to get the shelving, but they don't have it. The thing that we want to get ended up is on the upper floor. So here we are again.
What's this?
Chinese New Year theme.
Oh!
But they don't sell the thing that we sleep on anymore.
This one?
No. The back and forth one?
Back and forth.
6 to 12. Oh my god. Look at this place. Ine. Sige.
That looks pretty cool.
It's a very Christmassy area. Oh, it's the Santa cookie jar
No, not.
shape. I don't know if my string is in the way.
If they sell this at Formula, we can like prop it up on the walls with these.
That's cool.
Like, it doesn't have to be this thick. Just be like probably like this thick.
Ine.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's so nice. Look at Santa doing a handstand. It's nice. They spend the time making these. That's nice. I've always liked Christmas decorations in Ikea.
Oh, this is nice.
Very. Oh, oil lamp. Oil lamp pipe. We are in the painting and photo frame area. And mirror. And clocks. I'm very tempted to get photo frames for the posters, but it's quite expensive. I like this stuff.
I like this set.
네.
Gold to royal blue and navy.
손에. Careful behind you. Look at the decorations. I like the donut.
Not very Christmassy in color.
Yeah,
Those baubles though.
the transparent one. Yeah, that's nice.
That's classic. Where's the yellow? Why is it pink?
Are we gonna get a tree or not?
Getting less and less.
Yeah, what is this? Cards. They
All
have
of those are the different
hearts.
random stars.
Ine. Oh, look at all the stars. 네, kawaii. I like it.
A tinsel goes around on the side.
Can do.
But then we have
I think they changed the setup of the place.
they did. Because they need to be able to do the things.
Alright, let's go pay. Let's go.
Saddest looking ice cream ever.
Ice cream look like Demogorgon had a bite of it. Finish our ice cream. Gonna head out and drive home.
heck's happening over there? Demogorgon. Blinking. Demogorgon.
Being attacked.
Yeah, babe.
Send help.
Okay, so now we are driving on the way back home. Hopefully it's not too traffic because it's around 6:44 already.
Yeah, I
so,
think everybody's head home already.
Yeah, that's true.
So it should be fine.
Oh well.
It's so dark here.
So. Careful. So far, so good. I don't know why it's so shaky though.
This is what we bought in the end. More utensils and some trays for cake, and this is for the snack drawer. The annoying part that this area has pipes in it. Don't know if you can see it, but so I can't put the rack in there.
Should I assemble this one too?
Yeah, please make that too.
Okay.
Before. After.
I think the black one will fit.
The kitchen is having a makeover.
Overhaul.
Taking all the plates and pots out so that we can rearrange them. We bought a level up thing so that we can use the area on top also. Totally forgot that we were vlogging. We had vegetables and canned sardine plus otatsuki, like the soup with rice. Simple dinner, just for a little bit.
Okay, we have Bulin streaming right now on Twitch. Oh, why is it so blurry, man? Come on. But yeah, she's streaming at the moment, and I'm talking with an old friend. Can't finish dinner tonight. I don't know why I have a low appetite, but yeah, just gonna be hanging out a bit in the living room while she streams. All right, Bulin is done with her stream. So yeah, we're just watching TV.
Not sure how much you can actually see.
That's true.
Dark.
It is kind of dark. But yeah, I think we're gonna go ahead and call it a night over here.
Yeah.
But yeah, thanks for hanging out, guys.
Oh my god, it's so dark.
It is so dark. Oh man.
Sumimasen. Let me turn on the light for a little. There we go.
Yeah. See you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.
The Ikea journey today.
Bye.